In this video, I'm going to show you how to get my PC shortcut on Windows 11 on desktop. Now this should be a quick and easy process video, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to right-click on your desktop at any place that has no icons. As you can see now, then click on Personalize. After that, just scroll down until you see Themes. Just go ahead, click on it, and then scroll down again until you find Desktop Icon Settings. Then you're going to find this PC, just double click on it. Then on the device icons on the top, click on Computer. After that, just go ahead, click on Apply, and then OK. And that's it. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.